I'm Dr. Shamsher Singh. I had been associated with the MAI Stratford since last 5-6 years. I had been teaching international business students, the MBA students who has specialization in international business. Subjects such as international business, geopolitics, international relations. The difference between the Indian students, Indian studies and the MAI Stratford is vast difference. It is like when we talk about typical Indian students or studies, you find a large class with 60 students, 70 students. Here we have very small size. We have around 25 students, not more than 25 many a time. So it's just like a tutor and an individual. There is a close relationship between a student and the teacher. The teacher focuses on the different issues of the student. For example, when we talk about international relations, the different things which are happening around the world becomes a part of the study. We are not limited to what is there in the course curriculum. We are flexible. We take the latest examples such as the Syrian nuclear program, the Iranian nuclear program, what happened in Egypt, what happened in Lebanon. We immediately include them as a case study. We give the group project to the students which are very relevant, and these group projects help them to understand what is their importance when they have to work in a group. So this group project is an essential part. We also give them online exercise whereby they have to search various sources and then come out with innovative things in their own words. By using the online system, we allow them to explore the many avenues, which I don't think the typical Indian students are doing. They just take the textbook, read it and just reproduce it. Whereas in this case, there are a lot of different things. So we also use case studies such as Harvard case studies and many other case studies which are relevant. And we are not limited to only these case studies. We can take any of the case which is relevant, as I have given the example of the latest thing. What is the relation between India and Pakistan? What is the relation between India and China? So for economic things, for political things, all this becomes relevant. And since we have different students from different cultural backgrounds, it becomes more important for the international business student to understand each other, so that when they are posted to different locations, for example in Africa or in the Europe, they are more conversant with each other. And they may not find any difficulty when they are there. It will look like as if their friends are there. So the MAI has a unique advantage of having students from different countries, different backgrounds, and the international business students have that advantage incorporating those cultural values which their friends have in the class and use the same thing while undertaking the job. The placement part is excellent, and the students have to go outside the campus to different industries, different export houses and even to embassies to understand their cultural values, their relations, their important issues, so that they can imbibe them when they are in the job. Thank you very much.